said after 2 months of searching for her daughter, you can imagine how the Harringtons feel. Morgan's mother, Jill, joins us live by phone from Roanoke. Jill, good afternoon. Thanks so much for being with us on a day that I'm sure is very tough for you.
It is. The 2-month anniversary encompasses a lot of days. It encompasses a lot of anguish for us as parents.
Now, we spoke back in October, Jill. I spoke to you and your husband, Dan. At that point, it was 2 weeks that you were searching for Morgan. Now it's been 2 months. What is your thoughts? How is your family holding up at this point?
You know, we are doing okay, which I think is remarkable because this is the most difficult period of time that we have ever gone through. We are really fortunate that Dan and I have such a close relationship that even though we aren't able to sustain each other at the level we normally do, you know, we have 30 years of caring and respect banked with each other that we're drawing on now.
And now we've seen a lot of outpouring of support from the community members for you and for your family. What does that mean to you? What does it mean to your family?
I mean, I think that is the silver lining, and that is the positive that carries us through the dark times, is to be humbled by such love and the level of connection that we have with people that we know and interact with daily, and with people we have never met. You know, it does reassure us that even though there is evil in the world, that there is more good than evil.
That being said, it's Christmas season, Christmas time. How are you guys going to be moving through this as a family of 3 rather than a family of 4 without Morgan?
It is important to me to mark the holiday and not to batten down the hatches and say, for us, there is no holiday. It's not a holly jolly Christmas for us this year, but it still is a time of celebration of a special child. And even though my child is not here, we can find a way to mark the day. It will be different, more muted, but we will still celebrate this holiday.
Well, Jill, thank you so much for being with us this afternoon live by phone from Roanoke. Our thoughts and prayers are with you and your family.
Thank you so much, Ed.